welcome, welcome. Come on in and join us. Come on in and join us. We'll learn a lot today. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Come on in and join us. Come on in and join us. We'll learn a lot today. Hi my friends, welcome to Mr. Pete's Playhouse. It is the summer and it's hot. Let's go inside to try to cool off for a minute. The summer months could be the hottest month of the year, where in some places the temperature can get up to 100 degrees or even hotter. Oh my God. Well, what better way to cool off than with a nice cold ice pop? In St. Croix, where I'm from, we call an ice pop a Lindy. I remember going to Rosa's booth and spending 50 cents for a cup of delicious Lindy made from local fruits like coconut, mango, tamarind, and my all-time favorite flavor, cherry. Ice pop flavor, get one with me. Here we come, it's so tasty. Ice pop flavor, this one is white. Coconut, it's so tasty. Ice pop flavor, this one is red. Cherry, it's so tasty. Ice pop flavor, this one is yellow. Banana, it's so tasty. Ice pop flavor, this one is orange. Passion fruit, it's so tasty. Ice pop flavor, this one is blue. Blueberry, it's so tasty. Ice pop flavor, get one with me. Here we come, it's so tasty. So today, we're going to make our own ice pops and have a lot of fun because it's summer! Are you ready? Let's go! I am excited to make our ice pops. Are you excited? Great! Alright, so let's get the materials that we're gonna need to make our ice pops. The first thing you will need is your favorite flavor Kool-Aid. I love cherry, so I'm gonna make some cherry ice pops. The next thing you will need is a measuring cup so that you can measure the ingredients that you're going to use. Next, you will need to add some sugar to make it nice and sweet. Next, you will need a large bowl or pitcher to mix it in. And then, you will need some plastic cups. This is what makes it a Lindy and not just a regular ice pop. Alright, so first I'm going to mix in the Kool-Aid. Then I'm going to put in 1 cup of sugar. Be sure to ask your parents for help. Let's pour it in. Woo! Next, we're going to put in 8 cups of ice cold water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Whoops, I forgot the mixing spoon. Now we're going to use a mixing spoon to mix it all up. Are you ready? Let's mix and mix and mix and mix. 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 Can we mix a little bit faster? Let's mix and mix and mix and mix. 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 All right, now let's taste. Delicioso! I think it's ready to go in the freezer. So now we're gonna pour it into the plastic cups. Be sure to ask your parents to help you. Let's pour and pour and pour and pour. Pour and pour and pour. So stop! Great job. So now that we have it in a cup, we're gonna put it in the freezer for a few hours till it gets nice and frozen. All right? Great job, everyone. In the summertime, the sun shines bright. The days are longer, the nights are shorter. Baby birds are hatching out of their eggs high up in the trees, and the green grass is growing all around us. There was a hole in the middle of the ground, the prettiest hole that you ever did see. And the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. And in this hole, there was a tree, the prettiest tree that you ever did see. Well, the tree in the hole and the hole in the ground, and the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. And on this tree, there was a branch, the prettiest branch that you ever did see. Well, the branch on the tree and the tree in the hole and the hole in the ground, and the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. And on this branch, there was a nest, the prettiest nest that you ever did see. Well, the nest on the branch and the branch on the tree and the tree in the hole and the hole in the ground, and the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. And in this nest, there was an egg, the prettiest egg that you ever did see. Well, the egg in the nest and the nest on the branch and the branch on the tree and the tree in the hole and the hole in the ground, and the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. In this egg, there was a bird, the prettiest bird that you ever did see. Well, the bird and the egg and the egg and the nest on the branch and the branch on the tree and the tree in the hole and the hole in the ground, and the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. On July 4th, 1776, the Declaration of Independence was signed and granted the United States its independence from Great Britain. Since then, Independence Day, also known as the 4th of July holiday, is celebrated around America. Families celebrate by having cookouts, barbecues, picnics, going to the beach, and having outdoor gatherings in the nice summer heat. The day is also celebrated by having patriotic events such as parades, performances, concerts, and always ending the night with 4th of July fireworks. Boom goes a firework lighting up the sky. Boom goes a firework, it's 4th of July. Boom goes a firework lighting up the sky. Boom goes a firework, it's 4th of July. Let's raise our hands to salute our flag. The Pledge of Allegiance we'll say. We'll celebrate the birth of America on its lighting up the sky. Boom goes a firework, it's 4th of July. Boom goes a firework, lighting up the sky. Boom goes a firework, it's 4th of July. Boom goes a firework, boom goes a firework, boom goes a firework, it's 4th of July. Oh, hey my friends! We had such a fun time today, didn't we? First, we learned how to make homemade ice pops, and then we celebrated the 4th of July. So whether you call it a Lindy, or an ice pop, or a cold pop, or just a pop, take some time to go make one today with your family. Then go and sit outside and enjoy a beautiful summer day. Remember to always find music in the noise, to love yourself, and I love you. See you next time on Mr. Pete's Playhouse. Bye!